Hey guys, and welcome back. And if you are new, welcome, and it is so good to have you, and I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave. Today's video is another 2 off 10, guys. This is our last day, so get those deals. So the first item you are going to want to pick up is the Arm & Hammer Power Packs, and they are $3.95 this week, and we have that $3 off digital. The Centrum Vitamins are $5 with a $4 off digital. The Always Liners is $3 with that $2 off digital. So your total before coupons is $11.95. Of course, you want to use your 2 off 10. Then you have $9 in coupons. So your final cost is going to be 95 cents plus tax, or just 31 cents each, and I think that is a great deal. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And happy couponing from my home to yours.